Are you looking for a realistic voice cloning tool? Listen to this.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you happy birthday.
Listen to result.
In the quiet of the night, stars whisper soft and bright, dreams drift gently through the air, hope is waiting everywhere.
Not just voice cloning, you can generate a new voice with description.
In the quiet of the night, stars whisper soft and bright. Dreams drift gently.
What make this tool unique? Its ability to edit a voice clip.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you
I changed Hey Claire with Hey Amanda.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you happy birthday, and sorry.
This all done with new updated FireRedTTS 3. In this video, we're taking a look at the new and updated FireRedTTS 3. I'll show you step by step how to install FireRedTTS 3, go through all the requirements and setup, and then at the end I'll show you how to actually use it to generate high-quality AI speech and clone voices. So if you want to get FireRedTTS 3 running locally on your PC, stick around, because we're going through the complete installation and usage process from start to finish. Let's get started. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit main page of FireRedTTS 3. I modified it and made it easy for you guys to install following my Windows instructions. Requirements are very high. You need at least 16 plus GB graphic card, 32 GB RAM, WSL installed, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, FFmpeg inside WSL, Python 3.12 inside WSL, Git for Windows, Python will be installed in WSL. Other, you can watch my playlist and install. Once you done, run WSL. Copy and paste sudo apt update. Enter your WSL password to update. Now copy and paste this whole code. Once it's done, copy and paste curl code. Now copy and paste all echo codes. Now with pyenv install Python 3.12. Once Python installed, copy and paste git clone code. Now copy and paste cd code. Now copy and paste pyenv code. Now copy and paste making venv code. Copy and paste activating venv code. Now copy and paste upgrading setup tools code. Copy and paste PyTorch installation code. Once PyTorch installed, copy and paste requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed, run main code. Sorry, I forgot to install spaces and Gradio. Install spaces and Gradio with pip, then run main code. When you see local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch FireRedTTS 3. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click Run File and use FireRedTTS 3 anytime. To use for voice cloning, upload voice file you want to sound like.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well.
Type words exactly spoken in audio file, and type text you want to convert to speech. Click Generate Speech.
In the quiet of the night, stars whisper soft and bright, dreams drift gently through the air, hope is waiting everywhere.
For design voice, give prompt what voice you want to generate, gender, accent, emotions. Type text you want to convert to speech. Click Design Voice.
In the quiet of the night, stars whisper soft and bright. Dreams drift gently through the air.
For replacing speech, upload original voice file. Keep in mind this format how you type words you want to change.
Hi Claire. Hey Claire.
I changed hey with hi.
Hi Claire.
And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.